put on my bathers. So nice. This is huge. I'm so tempted. And around bakery. So I was talking to Phil, and then I turned around and he's across the road. He's over there because I don't know if they'll come, but oh, there we go. Hello! Hi! Hi! Hello! Oh my god, they're huge. Hello! 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 Hi! Bye! Hi! Anything from the trolley, dear? It's actually free. Was that it? All I'm doing is just on our way to Lake Tekapo. Zero. Yeah. Yeah. Twice? I didn't see anything. And the rest of the day we went hunting for more lupins, but we couldn't really find any, so we just headed home and had leftover hot pot and a horror movie. So it's the next day, and now we're heading off to Mount Cook for a quick lunch and then a short hike through the Hooker Valley Trail. And when I say short, it was like 3 hours return, but still it was so worth it because look at this view. Even the drive through to Mount Cook was breathtaking. It's a really different vibe from living in the city in Melbourne.
I love Mount Cook National Park.
partners. Unfortunately, there's a lot of names on it.
Is he jumping on it?
I have to find the right rock though.
What kind of rock do you look for?
It needs to be like this. Like that.
Oh,
Or something
like
flat
flat?
like this. So, ready? This is not gonna bounce much though.
Whoa!
No, let's try it. Oh no.
That was two. How do you do it? I want to do it.
Just try it. Oh, you did it! You did too. I got that one.
Is to go even further beyond.
Whoa! That was full! How do you do that?
We were on our way back to the Airbnb, but the crew saw a really good opportunity on a long empty stretch of road for some drone shots and photography. This part of the road was really long and straight, which was really important so that we could see any approaching cars from a long distance away.
This is not real. This view is not real.
And you don't have a hairbrush, do you?
Do I? I don't. Sorry. So nice. It's so pretty. They're going to do a run. A dress run. A running shoot. They're gonna run. They're gonna run down here. So nice.
The the next day. Now we are on our way home for real. We are driving back to Queenstown Airport. It was going to be a 3-hour drive, which I kind of fell asleep for most of it. Sorry, Phil. Conjoin Twinny Bows. Once again, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our short trip in New Zealand. We hope to bring you many more adventures, but until next time, bye!